How does it look? Help me flip it over. Good enough. We're sorry. We messed it up. But I tried to... Well, I hope you like it anyway. Dude, flip it over.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
Oh.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is Binging with Modi. No. Sorry, Babish. Had to do it. Love your channel, and it was too perfect of an intro for what I'm doing today. He's not gonna see it anyway, so it doesn't even matter. No, but I wanted to have some fun this week because I've been working really hard doing those custom painted skateboards, and they take a lot of time just to make, and it's been a lot of late nights at the studio over the last couple weeks to finish those up and get the videos out to you guys. So I want to do something a little more relaxing and a little more fun this week. Don't worry though, I will be getting back to doing more of those custom painted skateboards. I just needed a little bit of a break from it and try out something I've been wanting to do for a little while anyways. This is Regular Show. If you guys haven't watched it before, it's a really awesome cartoon that came out from Cartoon Network, where they literally take any normal kind of setup that you can imagine and take it to its most illogical, furthest extreme that it can possibly go. And it's a super entertaining show. I'm definitely a huge fan of it. And Mordecai, one of the characters from the show, is an art student who is working at the park because he wasn't able to make anything out of those dreams at this point in the show. And I love this episode where he does the portrait painting for Benson after they destroy the original portrait that was supposed to be kind of like a classy old school style portrait of, you know, realism, of a very stoic image of the man. And he makes this extremely radical abstract portrait painting with a lot of color and a lot of intricate brushstroke work. And, you know, however you feel about abstract art, I know that some people aren't a big fan, they think it's easy, or that it doesn't take the same kind of technical skill that maybe realism does or other different styles. However you feel about it, I think that realistically it's actually a pretty cool painting. And I wanted to take that and recreate it in my own style and see what I can come up with. Now, it wouldn't be fun to just recreate the painting. That wouldn't be impressive, and there's no reason for me to do that because it already exists in the world. So like I said, I'm going to be taking inspiration from the color palette and then redoing the entire thing in my style. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to be working on this painting in Procreate because I'm just a lot more comfortable painting in Procreate. I've been a digital artist for a long time and I'm just better in Procreate than I am physically. So I'm just going to take that and use it to, you know, bring you guys something that's a little bit better than what I might be able to do on a canvas or whatever. Which unfortunately means I'll be using my iPad to make the painting, and I'll be screen recording that, but that means that fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it, I won't be in the video as much this time because I can't shoot with my iPad like I normally do. And I might have some shots with the phone in there, which, sorry for the lower quality and stuff, it's just the only other camera that I really have to use for this. But it does mean, fortunately, that I get to spend today working on the couch, which is always a great time, and I'm definitely very thankful for it. So let's see how it goes. Well, there you have it, folks. My version of the Benson portrait painting from regular show. I'm actually really happy with how that turned out. I went into it with basically no plan other than I was going to be inspired by the original one from the show, and I was really happy with how that one turned out. I think it looks pretty good, but you know, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, as always, and let me know if you like the style of video, and I would be happy to try to do some more, I don't know, pieces inspired by different cartoons or shows or movies or just different pop culture events and stuff like that. It's always pretty fun for me because it helps me kind of get out of my style and my own comfort zone, even though I do it in my own style, but it helps me to kind of figure out some new types of ways to apply my style and, you know, some differences of line works or character design or anything like that. But yeah, just let me know what you think, and I will happily oblige whatever y'all want me to do. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a like on the video. That helps out a ton. And if you like what I do here, you like my art, you like me, and you want to help support me, subscribe to the channel. It would really, really help. I would appreciate it a ton. And, you know, hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on all the new videos that are coming out soon. I'm going to be making another few of those custom painted skateboards, and those are pretty interesting. So if you haven't checked out either of those videos, those should be my last two videos before this one. They're pretty cool, and I'll have more of those coming out soon, so you'll be more on top of it when I come out with those as well. So yeah, thanks again so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.